In this video tutorial, we'll see how we can use the hashtag plugin in RecurPost. To do so, click on the drop-down beside your profile name, select Plugins. Next, click on the Manage under Hashtags. On this page, on the left-hand side, you'll see a list of libraries that you created in your RecurPost account. And on the right-hand side, you'll be asked to add hashtags. In order to start adding hashtags, choose the library that you wish to work with, in our case, artificial intelligence. Here, type in the word that you wish to replace with any other word. It could be a hashtag or a full form of any abbreviation. For instance, let's choose AI to be replaced with hashtag artificial intelligence. Save it. Let's add a couple more keywords. As you can see that I've added a combination of hashtags and also full forms of certain abbreviations and short words here. Now, please keep in mind that these particular keywords and their replacements would only be applicable if you're working or adding a post for that particular library. If you're working in the blogs library, then RecurPost wouldn't ask you for recommendations to replace these keywords. To test these, let's head over to the libraries from the top panel. Here in the libraries, select the library Artificial Intelligence, add a post, as you can see that RecurPost is showing me a recommendation to replace the keywords that we had created in the hashtags plugin. Click on Replace. One more time, and as you can see that each of the keywords have been replaced by the corresponding hashtags or the lengthier version of those words. I hope this tutorial video was helpful. If you have any other queries, do reach out to us on support@recurpost.com. Thank you for watching.